email. Incoming, outgoing, deals, delivery, support. Each one composed with care and then tossed into the void, never to be seen again.
He promised what?
To who?
By when?
It was organizational chaos. And then we found Insightly.
Now we save our emails right from the inbox, and Insightly records all the context. Everything's organized and searchable, no matter how many people get involved. We send better emails too. Our reps use high-performing templates to fire off dozens of personalized emails, faster than they used to send just one. And when it doesn't require the human touch, Insightly sends out automated messages all on its own, so we can focus on the people stuff.
So now we know everything. We don't promise things we can't deliver, and our emails make it to the right people at the right time, every time.
All right. That way? This way? Out the back?
A little bit.
Thinking about life? Where am I? Oh, it feels like my forearm burns.